Parts of a quadratic function. A quadratic function is a function whose highest, maybe even called biggest, exponent is 2. A parabola is a U-shaped graph of a quadratic. So whenever we graph these, they're going to look like U's. Let's go through a couple of different parts of the graph. So first, the x-intercept is where the graph crosses or touches the x-axis, also called a root, a zero, and sometimes even a solution. My x-intercepts are located here at -3, +1. Y-intercepts are where the graph crosses or touches the y-axis. The y-intercept of this graph is right there at 0, -3. So if they asked me, what are your roots? I would say -3, 1. If they asked me, what is the minimum? 0, -3 or -3, because my y values are associated with up and down. My axis of symmetry is an imaginary line that cuts the parabola in half. So I'm going to look to see where I can see a mirror line, and it's there, and it touches at the x-axis, so x equals -1. My vertex is also my maximum or minimum. Maximum means a top, minimum means a bottom. The vertex of this graph is located at -1, -4. Noticing that the x value for the axis of symmetry is the same thing as the x value for the vertex maximum minimum. This one is a minimum because the graph opens upwards.